special guest,
Angelina.
today we are going to be going to get slime supplies.
The supplies we're going to need to make slime is glue, shaving cream, the activator, which is Tide, or you could use baking soda and contact solution, and coloring, which is optional.
We have arrived, so we're going to walk in the store, we're going to grab the stuff, and we're going to be out. Alright guys, see you inside.
So right now we're looking for Tide, which is the activator that we're using for slime. Activator means like it gets the slime to be slime.
And it makes it like stretchier. And it activates. We found the big thing of Tide. We were going to get the little one, this little one, but then I just found this one. So we're gonna grab this one. Now let's head to find the glue.
Hi guys, so we're at AC Moore to get the glue because we couldn't find it at
Big Lots.
Big Lots.
So we're here and we just found this big thing of glue. So let's go. Is there any more to get from here? We need a little more. Squishy. We need food coloring. Yeah, food coloring. We need like a pink. Yeah, the other side.
Yeah, these are good.
Yeah, these
Should
are
we
good.
get a couple more?
Yeah, we gotta find a couple more in 5 minutes. 4 or 5 minutes. Go. Come on. So guys, we have our jars, green, blue.
We have our Elmer's glue. We have our foam beads.
our mixing bowls we just bought.
and we have our paints.
Yeah,
We
And
tried
then-
to get neons and metallic paints, but
there wasn't any. So
And the only thing we need is shaving cream, which is optional if you want it fluffy or not.
so we're gonna go home and make some slime. We'll see you then. Bye.